Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and in this video we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and performing our first project with the brand new Silhouette Portrait 4. All right, well let's go ahead and dive in. I got my trusty box cutter here. Oh, and reveal. I love the box design, by the way. Right here you're gonna see a QR code for the design store with the link silhouettedesignstore.com. We're open up this tab, and then right here, another QR code. This one's gonna take you to download the software. Of course, you can use the link www.silhouetteamerica.com/setup. Let's open this up here. Now, right here on top, we have a little box, and let's see what's inside here. We have, okay, so we have our power cable. All right, our power supply, I should say. Set that aside. And then there's one more thing on the other side here. That's right, okay. That's empty now. And then, oh, nice, we have some paperwork and we have our blade. Very cool, it's the Auto Blade. I love it. And here we go, we have included the Silhouette Portrait 4 cutting mat. I believe this is 8.5 by 12 inches. Very cool, and then now it's time to take out our Portrait 4. Now, I've seen some people, they like to pull it out by the styrofoam, which you can do, I guess it's light enough, but what you wanna be very careful is you don't wanna damage the styrofoam. Just in case you ever have to like make a warranty claim or send it back or anything like that, you wanna return it, you wanna have all the packaging material in place. So I'm gonna get this, take that out here, take that out here, and that's gonna do it for our box. That's everything in the box, and here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful Silhouette Portrait 4. Now it's packaged up here in this foam to keep it safe from any like scratches or anything in transit. There we go. All right, and you're gonna notice that there's like tape here. There's lots of tape here. All right, now this tape, it does serve a purpose. This tape does serve a purpose. This keeps everything together in shipping, so nothing gets damaged. And that way your Portrait 4 can arrive in as perfect condition as possible. So now our lid is gonna open up, revealing, yes, our beautiful Portrait 4. And yes, more tape. All right, I'm gonna turn this around really quick so I could see it. Make sure that I'm not missing any. Slide this over. Ah, yes, there is one, oops. There's one piece of foam right here on the inside that we're gonna remove. And that looks like it should be it. So there we go. We've now unboxed our Silhouette Portrait 4. And now let's go ahead and start setting up our machine. First, we're gonna download and install Silhouette Studio. Go to www.silhouetteamerica.com/setup and select your language. We recommend signing into your Silhouette account and registering your new machine. But if you want to skip that step, go ahead and click on the Silhouette Portrait 4. Step 1 is actually going to cover everything we just showed in the unboxing, so if you've been following along, you can click Continue to the next step. This is where you're going to download the Silhouette Studio software. You'll have 3 different options, which you will select based on your computer's operating system. In this video, we'll be installing the Windows 64-bit version of Silhouette Studio. After the installation file has been downloaded, double-click to run the Silhouette Studio Setup Wizard. Follow all of the on-screen prompts. When it's done installing, click Finish and open up Silhouette Studio. Let's go to our machine. Hold the power button down for about 2 to 3 seconds or until the machine powers on. You should see the Bluetooth light flashing in blue. This means it's available and ready to connect. If you press the Bluetooth button, the light will stop flashing, meaning that Bluetooth is off. Press it again to go back to available or search mode. Go to the Send panel in Silhouette Studio and select your new Portrait 4 from the list of available machines. Click on it to connect. You may need to update the firmware, which may take up to a few minutes. If you do, be sure to keep the machine on and Silhouette Studio open the entire time. I would also recommend keeping your Portrait 4 as close to your computer as possible for the best connection during this process. Once that's done, Silhouette Studio will show your machine as ready or no media loaded, and the Bluetooth light on your Portrait 4 will be solid dark blue. This means your Portrait 4 has successfully been connected and is ready to roll. If you prefer a wired connection, you could use a standard printer-style USB A to B cable. This cable is not included with the Portrait 4, but should be available in the electronics section of most big box retailers. You may still need to update the firmware, which should be a little faster on a direct connection. Now it's time to get your free content. If you haven't done so yet, set up a free Silhouette account and register your machine. Once machine registration is completed, you'll be offered a 1-month trial subscription that allows you to download free content from the Silhouette Design Store. Go to the Library tab in Silhouette Studio and sign into your account. Once this is done, you'll have 100 free cut files loaded into your library. Let's make our very first project with the brand new Silhouette Portrait 4. Because we're Heat Press Nation, you know we're gonna make a t-shirt. First, I'm gonna load a sheet of HTV onto my Silhouette cutting mat. To load the cutting mat into the machine, set the adjustable pinch rollers to the outside edge. Hold the cutting mat up to the machine so it's pressing up against both pinch wheels. Press the standalone up arrow on the bottom of the Portrait 4 control panel. In Silhouette Studio, make sure you have the right machine and cutting mat selected. Let's bring in one of our free graphics from the design library. We're also going to add some text to personalize it. Once our graphic is sized and positioned properly, let's go to the Send tab. From here, we're going to select the Heat Transfer Smooth material preset. Click Send, and since we haven't mirrored our graphic, we're going to select Send Mirrored. Once the cut is complete, press the down arrow to unload your cutting mat. Remove your sheet of HTV from your cutting mat and weed it with a hook tool. All that's left to do now is pre-press your garment, position your transfer, cover with a pro-grade non-stick sheet, and press. We're using Caesar EasyWeed, so our heat press is set to 305 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 seconds with medium pressure. Open the machine, peel off the carrier sheet, and reveal your very first t-shirt with the brand new Silhouette Portrait 4. And there you have it. We've just done our unboxing, setup, and first project with the brand new Silhouette Portrait 4. For more information on Silhouette and other heat transfer products, be sure to visit us at heatpressnation.com.